Hello there, and welcome to Health and Science. Today's topic is the media skills. So let's start off by describing what are media skills and what does media do. Media's job is to direct your attention to different things. There is a lot of money going on in the media, so it wants to direct your attention to commercials and information and also false information. So for the sake of your own well-being, it is important to understand the means that are used to direct your attention. This is so that you wouldn't be so easy to lead. Here I have gathered some means and also the influence that is desired to have on you, consumer. For example, in commercials usually there is some famous person advertising the product, and this is hoped to have the influence on the consumer the way that it suggests that you can become as famous and healthy and handsome and good looking just by using the product. Then there is also branding, repeated message and campaigning in different medias, and this aims to create a lasting impression in the mind of customer and also arouse your needs for the different products. So it tells you that you need this product in order to carry on. Young people are also used in advertising and commercials a lot. This gives the impression that the product gets you friends and acceptance by being young and youthful. Slogans and logos are also used very heavily, and this gives an impression and a promise of a change or improvement that consuming the product will make in your life. And the logo also tells about trustworthiness. Then also expert studies and statistics and other authorities are used very much in the commercials. This is to imply that the product is to be trusted because these experts and other authorities tell you so. Lastly, there is the attention craving price tags and big packages or batches of products. So this wants to give you the impression that the product is really inexpensive and really affordable. So, how can you assess the trustworthiness of information? First step is think about the author. Who is the author of the professional who is responsible for the information? Is there a trustworthy logo or some other professional who can really be responsible for the information? The second thing is the bias. So what does the message want you to do? And think about also who is the message intended to. Are the personal opinions kept separated from the facts? Third step is the validity. So you can see if the information is correct and error-free. And also, are the sources of the information mentioned? It is very good to mention the sources of the information. And also, can you find the same information from other sources? And the last step is how up to date the information is. When was the information published, and are the links of the website functional? So when you try to gather information, you should always think about who is it intended to, and is it up to date, and who is the author, and how trustworthy is the information. So your homework for the next time is find an advertisement that tries to have an influence on you and bring it with you to the next class. This can be anything, a commercial or advertisement. You can cut it from the magazine or find a video and show it in the next class. Just find a commercial that tries to sell you something. Also, Think of a source that provides reliable and trustworthy information about health. What is this source? Write it down and bring it with you to the next class. And we will continue from this.